Okay, so today we're going to figure out what is the mass of grams of 5.9 moles of C8H18. So we start with 5.9 moles of C8H18, and that's the number we're given. So now we have to convert moles to grams. So we start with what we're given, so 1 mole of C8H18. And then above that, we're going to put how many grams are in 1 mole of C8H18. And that would be 114.23 grams. So now, all we have to do is 5.9 times, actually 5.9 divided by 1 equals 5.9, and then that 5.9 times 114.23, and that is how we find grams. So 5.9, and that equals 673.975 grams, or if you want to round it up, it's 674 grams. And that is how you convert moles to grams. Okay, so today we're going to try to find how many moles of H3PO4 are produced when 71.0 grams of PH4O10 react completely to form H3PO4. So these are the things we're given. We're given this equation up here, and then we're also given that 71.0 grams are, this is how many grams are of PH4O10. So we're given these things. So now we're going to try to find how many moles of H3PO4 are produced when this amount of grams reacts to completely to form H3PO4. So first we're going to start with what we're given, 71.0 grams. And then we always put what we're given on the bottom, grams. And we're going to convert that to moles. So we're going to discover how many grams there are of just simply 1 mole of PH4O10, and that would be 284 grams, and that is equal to 1 mole of PH4O10. Now we have that, but we want to discover how many moles of H3PO4 there are, not how many moles of PH4O10 there are. So we're going to put what we're given on the bottom, moles of PH4O10 on the bottom, and then we're going to put what we want on the top, what we want to find on the top, so moles H3PO4. So we know 1 mole of PH4O10 given from the equation up top, above, so we see that. And then we're going to see how many moles are of H3PO4. So it's this front number in front of the H as in the product, so that would be 4. So now we've actually completed the equation because we're just discovering how many moles there are. If it said molecules, we would have to convert moles to molecules. But since we just have this, we're going to do 71.0 divided by 284. And then whatever you get for that, type that into your calculator. And then we're going to multiply what we get for that times 4. And then we will ultimately end up getting 1.00 moles of H3PO4.